wind is good. And we're in one of my favorite sets right now.
Going into this fall, we had really high hopes on killing a mature deer this year on the family farm. We had done our homework as far as planting the food plots. We had 6 acres of standing eagle soybeans, 8 acres of top-seeded radishes into our corn stubble, probably another 2 acres of dedicated food plots that we plant every year in a winter crop. Stands were hung, trail cameras were hung, we're getting good pictures of mature deer. Now all we need is a good deer to step in front of us.
It's November 8th, and that's the first deer that we have seen in the month of November. So it's kind of sad when you have a great hunt, when a doe fawn and a big doe come within range.
Some of our best places that I had set up to kill a good deer on, we were not seeing the deer. So the days rock on, we're not seeing hardly any deer at all, and I cannot figure out what is going on. We've done all our homework. This is traditional areas where we see mature deer and we've killed mature deer, but it's just not adding up. The deer should be there.
November 9th. We've seen more action this morning than basically the rest of the season, which is bad to say because we've seen a spike and a 5-point, a coyote and 2 coons. But it's getting better. I really don't know where the rut's at right now because I haven't seen enough activity to really be able to tell what's going on. I mean, it's November 9th. We're supposed to be in the peak of the breeding cycle right now. And I just haven't seen it, so I can't really make a judgment call on what's going on right now.
It's getting to be prime time, and we're on the edge of a bedding area in a little funnel where they come around a little ridge. And I see a coyote stand up at 70 yards in the middle of our bedding area.
Coming straight to us. can't see any deer. We got coyotes running around all over the place.
When you have coyotes that are bedding in your deer bedding areas, that's not a good sign. I check a few trail cameras. We've got coyotes running everywhere. I've got a sequence of pictures where there's 6 longbeards standing in front of the camera. All of a sudden they look up and you see a coyote come running under them and flushing them. Keep scrolling through the pictures. We've got coyote after coyote after coyote coming through places that they shouldn't be coming through. We've got to do something to control the coyotes.
Yeah, buddy. This feels like a deer killing and moaning. I was trying to stop him. I couldn't get him stopped. I think he was at like 30, 35 yards.
The 6 days leading up to the opening day of our first gun season in Illinois, 6 days in a row, 6 sits in a row, we see 6 coyotes. Call 3 of them in, kill 1 of them, miss 1 of them, and was just getting ready to take a shot at the other one, and he smelled us. So now that we've figured out our problem, we need to figure out the solution. And we posted a picture a couple weeks ago on Facebook of a coyote in a trap. And the Facebook blew up. We had comment after comment. I would say probably half good and half bad. We've had a lot of people that say that trapping is non-ethical, it's barbaric, it is backwoods, but you've got to look at it like this. In my mind, the land that we are managing is an investment, and compare the land that we're managing for whitetails to your, say, investment portfolio. If you have someone in there stealing your money, you've got to do something about it. Well, in our case, we've got coyotes that are taking away from our investment with our whitetails. And as far as I see it, trapping is the most ethical, the most effective route that we have to go.
There's a place I go, tucked back in the pines, where a green field grows, my own little paradise. I'm thankful for this land and the life that it
sometimes you just got to get on old Chucky.
Your own sacred
Let him loosen up a little bit.
I am what I am. If you sit me down, I'm gonna talk like this. Get trails in pine plantations, nothing can be better.
That'd have been good if he hadn't have just bulldozed the camera.